Why is reading important? Reading takes us from our world to an entirely different world, the world of imaginations. We get immersed in the lives of the characters or the authors or the land of fiction in such a way that we feel or we experience a different feeling, or we feel that we are in the new world. So teachers and parents play a vital role to ensure that reading becomes a routine habit. We can't underestimate the benefits of reading. It's not just about the academic development, but also about the social, cognitive skills, like how they perceive things, about the things of their world, or about the language development, or about the processing of information. Secondly, when we read books, we are filled with emotions, mixture of emotions we get, and this creates feelings in child. It develops kind of feeling, it develops the feeling towards others. This is really important for a social being like us. We create empathy. The child automatically learns how to refrain himself from acts that are not acceptable in the society. Third point, it creates bonding, strong bonding, the strong connection. When the parent reads to a child, there is an exchange of emotions, feelings, and expressions, experiences. So, what happens is the child treasures that attention, love, and reassurance throughout his life. He will remember these times that they have spent together with their parent. This is the key ingredient of nurturing and well-being of a child. Now, the fourth point is the literary skills. The language development has a vital role to play with reading. When parents read aloud, child learns new words, new phrases, new vocabulary. It has a great impact on the language development. Fifth point, it enhances concentration. Being regular and consistent in reading will make the child sit and focus for quite a long time. And this is the activity that is done during the workshops where we enhance concentration. Sixth point, it improves creativity and imagination. You might have come across many TV serials or many TV shows which are based on the fictions. Research and case studies have shown that these TV serials did not seem interesting to those students who read these books. You know why? It was because of the wide space of imagination that they had in visualizing the characters, the environment, or any other aspect in the book. So, let us make it a point that we read books to our children and treasure these skills and qualities in their lives. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.